National Training Week 2024 is the biggest learning and development activities happening in one incredible week from 24 to 30 June 2024 nationwide. It offers Malaysians with various free training courses like digital marketing, new technologies, personal growth, and IT skills. The courses are conducted by industry experts providing an interactive and hands-on learning experience. You can explore and register the courses on NTW portal at www.nationaltrainingweek.gov.my. So, take this opportunity to upskill, discover new interests, or gain valuable knowledge, all at no cost. Join National Training Week 2024 as we celebrate the importance of lifelong learning for personal and national growth. Invest in yourself, broaden your knowledge, and be part of this nationwide event dedicated to knowledge, sharing, and self-improvement. My name is Liyana from Excel Academy and I support NTW 2024.